What if I told you that the James Webb Space Telescope may have just uncovered something so ancient, so impossibly old, that it challenges everything humanity has ever believed about the birth of the cosmos? What if 4 newly detected galaxies, so faint, so distant, and so monstrously ancient, appeared not just older than the universe as we know it, but older than our very concept of time itself? Imagine starting a journey where the first step feels like walking into a forbidden temple buried for eons beneath cosmic dust, a place where astronomers whisper instead of speak, terrified that their discoveries might crumble the foundations of modern physics, and yet unable to look away. These galaxies, glowing like dying embers of a fire that should never have existed, force us to confront a question so colossal it feels like heresy. What if the universe we call home is only a single chapter of a much older cosmic library? Because what James Webb has found does not simply redefine astronomy, it resurrects mysteries older than recorded history itself. And once you hear what scientists are seeing, once you understand the implications of these impossible galaxies, you will never look at the night sky the same way again. The story begins in a time long before telescopes, satellites, or equations, back when ancient civilizations gazed upward and believed the heavens were alive. The Babylonians sketched omens in the stars, the Egyptians carved celestial maps into stone temples, and the Greeks imagined the cosmos as a vast cosmic body ruled by titans. They believed the universe had no beginning and no end, it simply was. But then came modern science, confidently declaring that the universe exploded into existence 13.8 billion years ago, and everything, every star, planet, atom, thought, heartbeat, emerged from a single primordial moment called the Big Bang. For decades, this theory stood like an unshakable monument in the desert of knowledge. Until now, because James Webb, with eyes sharper than any instrument humanity has ever built, has seen something that the old laws of physics simply cannot explain. For galaxies, older, brighter, and more structured than should be cosmically possible. Galaxies that appear to have existed when the universe was only a few million years old, at a time when matter should still have been swirling chaos, and stars should not yet have been born. Yet these galaxies stare back at us like ancient gods defying the limits we place upon them. Scientists have named them with cold alphanumeric codes, but make no mistake, what they represent is anything but cold. These galaxies are like ancient ruins found in a place where ruins never should exist. Imagine walking into a newly formed island, expecting only molten rock and smoke, and finding instead a fully built temple with inscriptions older than the ocean around it. That's what Webb has done. It has found cosmic temples before cosmic clay had even hardened. These galaxies are enormous, structured, and burning with the light of billions of stars, yet the timelines simply don't align. According to every model we've built, galaxies should grow slowly, taking billions of years to gather their mass, form stars, and spiral into majestic shapes. But these 4? They grew faster than physics allows, as if they were not bound by our universe's rules. And that's why some astronomers have begun whispering a phrase that sounds like science fiction but is becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. These galaxies may not be from our universe at all.